Welcome back, everybody. It is the day after that I primed the roof. Gonna go to work today, and then as soon as I finish, I'm gonna get up the garage and I get that blocked off the 400. I'll buzz it over the DA, scotch it, pan wipe it, make sure there's no open edges and stuff. Get that car then prepped, get it all sheeted up and stuff, and get that 2-pack gloss all on it to get that shine. And hopefully then tomorrow I can go up, either take the car back, let it harden a few days, or actually go back up. And then what I will do is flat and polish it, go over a 50 2000 wet, and then polish it in some raw product. But yeah, I'll show the process anyway. Hope you liked the last video. If you've seen it, if you haven't, go back and watch it. But yeah, it's raining today and we're out in the Escort doing the daily duties. So don't know if it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down about that, but this weather is absolutely atrocious. It's absolutely levering down.
Hours later.
Okay, so welcome back to day 2. Roof is dried nice now. Something else I've also done, I have put in ST3 leather Ricardos in the meantime, whilst I was waiting for this to go off. I'll show you quickly. So roof is looking great, nice and smooth. You hear that noise? That's a high build primer, so we're going to buzz over this with 400, mask keys up. And yeah, we've got the leather in it. So, courtesy Matthew. Thank you, Matthew. I like the cloth, I'll be honest with you, but it was just stinking. So we've got 3 layers of tape around the edge, and ready just now to buzz over this with a 400 on DA. I'm going to go nice and light just to get all this texture off. Okay, so 400 on the DA. Remember to keep this flat and pass it like this, okay? And just time lapse the rest. So right, this is the roof done. Passes, you'll see left to right. I notice the difference in that sound. Whoops, my wedding ring, don't want to scratch the roof. See a few little pockets now where it's broken through. So I've used a little bit of a filler on these, like a stopper. Etch primer around here where I've broken through. A little bit of a stopper filler here. But first of all, I'm going to blow this off. And then we've got ourselves a really nice canvas to work with. So yeah, so the primer prior to this now was quite textured as well. It was quite rough, it was coarse, it was like sandpaper. The idea is to completely smooth it off, just like when you're doing that guide coat. Use the indents as your guide, and you can kind of feel it when you work at DA, when you're not against any tension, you know you're onto a winner, okay? So yeah, let's blow this off, let's get the compressors on, blow it off, do that filler stuff, get the car in the booth, get it masked, and let's lay some paint, shall we? Okay, so we've quickly used this 3M acrylic spot putty, filled in any little pinholes. Not many to be honest, but just stops the paint sinking. Gosh, I need to learn to speak. But yeah, that's the roof almost done. This will be 400 days again now when it dries in 10-15 minutes. Blow it off, get it in the booth, and then a bit of etch primer around here. Anything that's open, dust a bit of primer in, get it in, and let's get it painted. I know I keep saying let's get it painted, but I'm excited. Okay, so next job is to scotch wet and dry all the edges and the roof, okay? Okay, time is ticking on a little bit more than I'd like. You've seen the video yesterday, so I've done it again. The car is all masked up, decontaminated, ready, etc. Probably would have it in paint by now if everybody didn't try and stop and have a chat or come for quotes. So Matt, I can see how busy it does get for you. Right, so I'm going to quickly etch prime just those little open edges to make sure there's no dramas, and then I'm going to start mixing my paint up in readiness. Oh, and put my mask on. Okay, let's leave this dry for 10 minutes whilst I go with the paint. This can go on wet. When I leave a cure, and let's get this painted. Okay, so we are mixed, and it says 2 to 1 and 10%, okay? This is a 2-pack paint.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, here I am. I'm going to quickly do the edge around here, and around here, around here, then I'm going to flood the roof, okay? Yeah, and then make a start. Okay, so it's really hard to see with direct light and stuff in here, and dust flying around, but yeah, when I say dust, I mean like all the kind of like, what's it called, the mist and stuff was spraying. But yeah, it's got a nice gloss sheen at the moment. I put on about 2/3 of worth, which is my cup. So let's cure for a little bit and we'll get another layer on. So yeah, it's starting to take shape and I'm really happy with how it's going so far. So yeah, waiting now patiently for that to cure so I can give it a second coat. Hope I don't get any overspray on my car. Nah, it's alright. I'll power wash it after. Oops. Cup number 2 in readiness. Okay, so let's leave this flow out a little while. I'll show you what it looks like. Got some little bits of dust in it, need to flatten out. Yeah, it looks nice. See the paint is starting to flow. Still wet obviously, it needs to flatten polish. I'll leave it for a little while now, keep my guns out. Okay, so it's really hard to see to the lights, and the paint is still flowing. There's a few little bits of dust. So yeah, I'm not happy, I am over the moon. Just gonna clean everything up now and lock everything up and come back tomorrow. I need to drill out the little hole where the air water is filling. I don't want to tap it. And then hopefully get the air back on tomorrow, get the car out. I'm probably not going to flat it tomorrow, it's too soon. I'll use the car tomorrow and I'll wet sand it and then polish it in a week. Maybe this will be one video and I'll do the wet sanding and the finishing as another video. I'm not really sure. But yeah, well, I can't say until next time because I don't know if I'm going to end it right now. We'll see. I'll hold you in suspense.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the car is out of the booth and I'm on a 2000 wet and I'm currently going to block this over quickly. If my work's close. Oh, never mind. Hopefully get this done nice and fast and then get over it with a DA. It's really nice all around here. I'll be honest with you. I could have done a better job closer to the screen, but it was so hard because I was hitting the rubber. I don't think I'll ever get that out. Look, there's nothing to say. I couldn't redo that section, blow it back in anyway. But I'm honest and I'm a realist, and I know people are going to critique this when they see it in the flesh. Excuse me, sorry. But it was rippled all the way back to here before. So I'll show you a little bit after. It's 10 times better, and I'm happy. Next job, we squeegee all this water off so we can see if there's any indents that we've missed or we're kind of looking for that high spot, low spot. So any orange peel where the paint is flowed will give like kind of, so like when we do our guide coat and you can see like the ripples in it. That's the idea of this wet sanding, okay? So it takes all that out before we polish it with a DA. Obviously the car goes like a matte colour now. You wouldn't think it's been painted and you think, oh my god, I've wrecked it. But no, this is what we do. So to explain, that part needs going over again, if that makes sense, because I have managed to catch the darker black bits. I like to put 3 dots on the end of the polishing pad, spread across the bonnet, the roof, and then I'll work myself in patterns. I'm not going to get a chance to film this, okay? But you'll see the finished result. So I'll go from matte to polished soon. So first pass, I go up and down. Second pass, left to right. And what I will do, I'll do this twice, and I'll do a full lap around full car, followed by another. It's quite difficult to see, but yeah, this is after a second run over DA. It's starting to come out nice. I might really let this paint go hard, and in a few days, give it another really hard polish, or even block it back a little bit more. But yeah, I'm happy with that. And there we have it, the car is outside. Let's give us a quick blast off now, shall we? So yeah. What's your thoughts? Let's get it clean, shall we? So yeah, there we have it. Got a spectator there, having a good look. So yeah, I'm thrilled is an understatement. Right, let's get this whole car polished in the next video maybe. Let's fit my new boost solenoid, and let's fit my Forge recirc valve. Put the decat on and get back on the roller, shall we? But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and sub. We do car reviews, we do modified cars, we do old school cars, we do car builds. So we've got a really big range of stuff to do. Don't underestimate something like this, okay? So it was prep and pull the dents, fill and prime, which was on a Tuesday. I painted it Wednesday night because I was in work on Wednesday day. I've come back up now on Thursday morning, bright and early, flat and polished, okay? So it's a 3-day turnaround, okay, for something like this. And that's me working just on my car. Anyway, till next time, see you soon. Enjoy.